Alright, something happened. The bike's different. Don't be shocked. I warned you.
It's a pit bike now.
It's definitely a pit bike now.
I'm just tightening up a couple spokes.
Way different. Needs its own plastics. Probably custom plastics, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Time will go on. Mini Suron build? I don't know. Razor, Suron, Mini something. Definitely got a different battery spot. It's got a fucked up battery spot. There's no line. But it works.
Oh, that's pretty comfy.
Alright, you lead the way. Let's go get your straps first. That's a good lip. I should jump off that sometime. I never even noticed that. Buddy, you've already hit over 50 twice. When we hit the corner after we left, you hit over 50. Yeah, that's your bearing, I think. It's fucked. I can see your tire going. That's sketchy. Yeah. It's not balanced at all. Those spokes need balance. Yeah, your spokes are not balanced in the front. This guy, he's literally got a battery strapped to the bike. Drives around town. If a cop sees it, I don't know. It'll be interesting. They'll be like, what the fuck? But hey, his back tire is pretty straight to the frame. I'll give him that. That guy was probably like, what the fuck? Oh, there's a lot of people. Mind you, we're not even close to the park yet. Like, where it's going on, way down there. But there's like food trucks and shit, I think. So, you know, everybody gets down there. All the big bags, they gather. I didn't know he was going up here. He could have fit around there. I would have went right there. Yeah, they did actually arrest somebody.
Arrested somebody already.
That's crazy. Sir, you are far too drunk to be here. Far too drunk. I don't know that person. That's brutal. They got like 3 cops right there in a little circle. This guy's cooked. This guy's cooked. Are you? Don't cut them off. Yeah. That guy got cooked. I was hoping you were gonna keep your finger out. I was gonna poke it. I'm gonna ask. Can I go through? Okay, that's fine. I'd rather ask you than go and then get in trouble. I see bikes going through, so I just don't. I'm asking first.
No. Better to ask than get in trouble.
Alright, we got let in, and then we got told we can't be swerving people, so that ended pretty quick. I forgot to turn on the camera. Pardon?
That's a sick ass little helicopter. The Dragonfly.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, I thought you meant like an actual helicopter. That thing popped up.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, it just spun, buddy.
I didn't know if I'd catch grip or not.
That just spun. That kid actually is flying. He's actually flying. Damn. Hey! Yeah. Buddy. Just, you can go 10 faster. Go faster. Go faster. A little faster. A little faster. A little faster. That is a good way. I didn't know about that one. There's one down there I normally take. No, that's too tight. No. Way too tight. This one. No, not this one. No. Where's the wider one? This one. Oh, he went through that one. Okay, he must be this way because my headphones are disconnecting. My phone's connecting over there. There's a bigger one. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the helly? Nobody's ever down here. This is so fucked. Are you guys moving in? Oh, they're firefighter training. Dude, that's firefighter training. It's fire training. They're firefighters.
No, they're having fireworks, buddy.
Oh, this is the fireworks? Hello.
Can I help you?
Yeah, we're just exploring.
Yeah,
Are you
you're
guys
not
doing the
supposed to
fireworks
be
from here?
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to leave now.
We always go through the park.
Yeah, I can't do it now.
Oh, because of the
Signs
fireworks?
out saying we're doing
it's all
fireworks
loaded
here.
explosives.
Do you guys care if we go to the upper side then, where you guys aren't?
Go to the far end.
Yeah, that's what I mean, like up on that end. So you guys don't care about
Stay up
that?
there, that'd be fine. I don't care about that. Just stay
Okay.
away from here.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. We just want an open field that we don't bother anybody.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
One guy was fucking going run at me. It was like, buddy, chill.
Well, no, the guy was chill. It's the chick was going crazy. She's going full Karen. I'm like, yo, we're just like out here trying to fucking ride around. She's like, oh, well, we're doing fireworks. You can't be back here. You need to leave. Go now. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, this is a park? I'm like, what if we go to that end of the park?
Open right now.
Not even that. I'm like, what if we go to this end of the park and you guys have this side? She's like, yeah, it's fine. Stay away from our stuff. I'm like, well, okay. I'm like, we'll go down there then.
I'm gonna exit out of here. This is too much for my thumb right now.
Pardon?
I'm gonna exit out of here. This is too much for my thumb right now.
Oh, because it's all fucked up? The thumb's all fucked in the crash still. Oh, this is why.
Yeah, the explosive signs. We didn't come in this way, stupid fuck, so we didn't know. Don't get mad at us.
Yeah, we went through that way. You cannot be in here. You need to leave now. I'm like, whoa.
So much of a lighter frame, it picks up so much quicker.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
1 second.
What do you need to bag off to do a burnout? Oh.
Because I'm using my feet, and I don't want to go too far back. Okay. Hello.
Yo, you gotta go up higher.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta go up a lot higher, buddy.
I'm going to start doing that on the grass tomorrow. I got to get the balance point with this one.
Yeah, you gotta go up a lot higher than that.
Yeah. I'll do that on the grass tomorrow.
Safer in grass. I fucked with my mirror when we were over there in the park. I should not have done that. Instant regret. You cannot be here! You need to leave now! I cannot get over that, bro. I'm sorry. We were just trying to ride bikes and not bother people. I'm sorry us going to a field where we're not supposed to bother people bothers you. That should not bother somebody. I get it. Okay, Canada Day, I get it. I understand you doing fireworks in the odd day. That's not all the time. I get that. But lady, you cannot be here. You need to leave now. Hey, bro, why do you approach people like that? I came up to you. I got just came up to you, spun around, throwing dirt in your face. I didn't. I was very respectable compared to how I see other people respond. Not like I need to be like them, but still. It's brutal, bro. Why do you approach people like that? It's so mean. But not imagine being such an angry fucking person. You need to leave now!